A weather forecast predicts short-term atmospheric conditions. This includes temperature, precipitation, wind, and cloud cover for specific locations. Weather forecasts help us plan our daily activities safely and effectively. Weather affects farming and agriculture for planting and harvest timing. Aviation safety depends on accurate flight planning. Road safety and travel planning require weather awareness. Energy management forecasts power demand based on weather patterns. First, weather data gets collected from satellites and ground stations worldwide. Then computer models run complex simulations using this data. Meteorologists analyze the model outputs with human expertise. Finally, predictions create probabilistic forecasts for different time periods. Satellites provide global coverage observing cloud patterns and storm systems. Weather stations measure temperature, pressure, humidity, and wind at ground level. Radiosondes carried by weather balloons collect upper air data about the atmosphere above us. Global models simulate weather patterns across the entire planet. Regional models provide higher resolution for specific geographic areas. Physics equations model atmosphere dynamics and energy transfer. Multiple model runs create ensemble forecasts showing probability ranges. One-day forecasts achieve 90 to 95% accuracy. 3-day predictions reach 80 to 85% reliability. 5-day forecasts maintain 70 to 75% accuracy. 7-day and longer predictions range from 60 to 70%. Sunny or clear means no clouds and dry conditions with good visibility. Partly cloudy shows scattered clouds in the sky. Cloudy or overcast describes complete cloud coverage blocking sunlight. Rain or shower indicates precipitation will occur. Windy or gusty means strong sustained winds affecting travel and outdoor activities. Foggy or misty creates low visibility conditions requiring caution. Snow or flurries describes frozen precipitation falling from clouds. Hot or cold fronts mark boundaries where temperature changes rapidly. Always check specific time frames distinguishing now from future hours. Location matters. Verify forecasts for your specific area. Watch for warnings and advisories indicating dangerous conditions. Probability percentages show chance of precipitation occurring. Weather forecasts update frequently, so check multiple times daily. Focus on your specific location since conditions vary nearby. Trust official warnings, prioritizing safety above all. Short-term forecasts of 1 to 3 days remain most reliable.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.